Hazrat Qais bin Ubad radiyallahu anhu says, I was sitting in the mosque of Medina. A man entered with the mark of humbleness on his face. The people said that he was amongst the inhabitants of paradise. He then performed 2 short units and went away. I also followed him and said, when you entered the mosque, the people said that he was one of the inhabitants of paradise. He replied, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, it is not fitting for anyone to say anything about someone he does not know. Now I tell you why the people have said so. In the Prophet times, I saw a vision and narrated it to him. The vision was that I was inside a vast and lush green garden, in the center of which there was an iron pillar, the bottom of which was fixed in the earth, and the top in the sky, whereas there was a handhold at the top. I was asked to climb up the pillar, but I said, how can I ascend it? So a servant came to me and he hitched up my clothes from behind, and I ascended till I reached the top of it, and I then clutched the handhold. I was told to hold it tight. When I awoke, it was still in my hand. So I told the Prophet ﷺ the vision. He ﷺ said, that garden is Islam, that pillar is the pillar of Islam, and that bolt handhold is the strongest rope of Islam. So you will remain steadfast in Islam till you die. That man was Abdullah bin Salam. Khalifa told me that Muaz, he said that on from Muhammad has narrated us the hadith. He said that Qais bin Ubad from Hazrat Ibn Salam reported this hadith to us. There is wasif in place of minsaf. Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 3813.